Probably look fat. Dang it. Wow. Amazing. Where the hose at? Little sucker. What's up, everybody? I am here about to vacuum my car, but I remembered, hey, let me do an unboxing on this vacuum right here. 9-gallon, 4.5 horsepower Craftsman. Now, I wanted to get the smaller one, but they were all out of the small ones. So I got this one. This one was the next size up. It was $65 at the store. The other one, the small one, was $40, so that's why I wanted the smaller one. But whatever, dude, it's alright. $25 more. It's twice the capacity, a half horsepower more. Is it $25 worth the extra 5 gallons or the extra 0.5 horsepower? I don't know. But let's see if this is a decent vacuum today or not. First, we're going to unbox the vacuum right now. Okay, so first thing that you see right here is the top of the vacuum. Look at that. Little sucker. Little sucker. That looks like an extension tube thingamajigger. Another extension tube. What the heck is this? This is a vacuum cleaner filter bag. And we got this long hose. Alright, good stuff. Hose. Alright, here we go. What's in here? Nothing. Nothing is in the box anymore. Everything else probably is inside the vacuum because I think it comes with wheels, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So here goes the filter. What's this? Do not discard, it says. I wonder what it is. Alright, these must be for the wheels right here. Oh, here goes the thing where you put the adapters, and here goes the wheels, and here goes the instructions in Spanish. In Spanish? Ah, it's in French and in Spanish.
Para todos que están mirando este video, todas las instrucciones están en español también. So puedes mirar aquí en el manual, en el owner's manual, cómo armar este vaciadora oil. Alright.
You like my Spanish? Okay, very good. Okay, so let's follow these instructions right here. It tells you right here to put these little thingamajiggers on there. Let's get these on. Probably go on with screws. Yeah, handy dandy screws. Dang it. It's for flatheads, man. I thought it was Phillips. Dang it. I really don't like flatheads, man. There, look at that. Got me a 8mm socket. You're not trying to hammer these down, you're just trying to drill them down a little snug. Just whenever it hits plastic, let go of the trigger. Just a little bit. And I'm not even pushing it all the way down. Just sit. Done. You don't need any more than that. Next, it wants me to put the wheels on the bus so they can go round and round. You just stick it in there. It's got like a ball kind of insert, right? The hole is as big as this, right? You gotta force this through, and then that's it. It ain't gonna come back out. I should probably pull it really hard. Hold that mug, see my hand? 10 to 11 care, just like that. Just go, boom. That's it. One more time. Can you see that? Stick it in there. Boom. This next part is a bunch of reading. I don't like to read, so I'm just gonna skip all these steps until it shows me another picture. Okay, so the next step says I need to put the filter on there, which the filter is already on here, but it also tells me to use this. Alright, just stick it in there, tighten. So yeah, you tighten it till it gives a little click, and that's it. It won't really tighten much anymore after that. And basically the rest of it's saying that if you want to clean it up, you just take it off, take the filter off, and then you just dust it over a trash can, and that's it. Oh, you can even wash it. That's some good stuff right there. Stick these little tabs right here. See them? 3 times in these 3 slots. That's it. Done. Great. Awesome. This thing here, I think, is just to wrap your hose up, you know. So you wrap your hose and then that's it. You're good. It's nice and tight and secure. And that's it. That's the end of the guide. Now it's time for Spanish. Oh yes. Just kidding, guys. Not today. Where the hose at? Here it is. You put it on, right? You stick it in the hole and then you twist this and it's threaded. That's good. Nice and secure. Stick it in. Twist it until it's nice and snug, and that's it. Here we go. We're good. We're ready to vacuum. This is way too big right here for what I need it for. I'm gonna end up just using this. And that's alright. That's all I need. Does anybody ever get good use out of the little adapters that the vacuums come with? I never do. I very rarely get any good use out of them. I think just this by itself does the trick. Let's put it away. Wrap it with this. And that's it. That's pretty good. That's gangsta. We're ready to vacuum. Alright, here we go. Day number 2. We're actually going to vacuum the car today because I got an extension cord today. Yes, I got a nice 25-foot extension cord. So we got a little bit of tests here. Got this twisted tie. We got the little piece of plastic. Looks like it was a M&M wrapper at one time. This little Starbucks straw paper thingamajigger, some string, some old gum wrapper, and this zip tie thingamajigger. Some little dust bunnies in here, about a bunch of dog fur in here. Got a bunch of dirt and dust and a whole bunch of other nasty stuff to vacuum up. Hopefully it will pass the test, you guys. Yes, oh my. Alright, so right off the bat, as you can see, I did this section right here. Okay, I did that section right there. Granted, it wasn't that dirty, but look at it. It took the dirt right out of it. Still see a little bit of dirt in there, but that's okay. We're gonna take it all out. Side note on this shop vac, so you can put these extensions right here, right in these holes, and it won't fit in the bigger holes on the side here. See that? It won't fit there, right? And then it also comes with this vacuum nozzle thing, right? But it's got no, like the picture said. Y'all see that picture right there? Right there, it's showing that basically it's supposed to go right here on this tab here, but it's not. It's just hanging. It's not like, you know, it's not secure or anything, so don't know why they designed it that way. Doesn't make sense to me, but whatever. Just a side note, just a thing I noticed. Alright, so just finished vacuuming the car. Let's open her up and see the damage. That's it, man. Good stuff. Took all that nasty stuff out, man. That's good. All that fur, all that dust and dirt. Oh yeah, look at the filter. Whoa, dirty. Well, good. It did what it was supposed to do. I think I would rate this vacuum maybe 8.5 out of 10. 8.5 because it did everything that I needed it to do, but not a 10 because it wasn't like, wow, amazing, the new revolutionary Craftsman shop vac. Yeah, no, it wasn't that, but it did everything I needed it to do. For the price, it was good for the price and everything too. So the question is it worth $65? Yeah, it's worth $65. I'll pay the $65 for it. But if the other one, the smaller one, if it did the same thing, I would have taken the smaller one instead. But still not bad, you know, for the price, $65. Able to vacuum my car whenever I want. It beats the Dyson. I have a Dyson vacuum that I tried to vacuum my car with, and it just didn't do the trick. I promise. A $300 something vacuum cleaner did not pick up the fur or did not pick up the dirt in the car like I needed it to, but this $65 Craftsman shop vac did the trick. So is it worth $65 for what I needed it for? Yes. So that's it for this video, the 9-gallon 4.5 horsepower Craftsman shop vac unboxing and review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a thumbs up if you like the video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.